The Aligner PHX humeral fracture brace is designed for conservative treatment of midshaft and distal third humeral fractures. The Aligner PHX features a capped fracture cuff fixated to a range of motion elbow brace with a unique varus valgus hinge at the distal humerus. This brace is engineered so healthcare providers can easily manipulate, control, and correct humeral bone alignment during the healing process, all without the need for surgery. This provides patients with support, protection, and flexibility during recovery. First, apply the shoulder harness to the unaffected shoulder and tighten to fit snugly under the arm. The back pad should be centered along the spine. Next, determine the brace length by lining up the brace next to the patient's arm and position the hinge with the elbow axis. The deltoid cuff should cover the shoulder joint. The forearm should extend from the elbow to the wrist. Adjust the humeral section by pressing the silver button and sliding to the desired length. Release the button to click into place. The deltoid cuff should be on top of the shoulder. To adjust the forearm section, press the silver button and slide to the desired length. Release the button to click into place. Lock the elbow hinge at 90 degrees by pushing the silver lock down. This allows for the brace to be locked in a specific location. Loosen all the straps on the brace so the arm can be placed between the medial and lateral humeral shell. Place the brace on the arm. The forearm should rest in the forearm cuffs, and the elbow should be aligned with the center of the hinge. Fit the humeral section by positioning the lateral humeral cuff against the outer arm and position the inner shell against the medial side of the arm. The epicondylar flare should line up with the medial epicondyle. This will create the clamshell around the humerus. If too long, the cuff can be trimmed. However, leave enough length so the shells overlap slightly. The upright should be centered on the arm. Secure the humeral cuffs. While holding the cuffs in place, wrap the strap ends around the arm and through the D-rings. Make sure no skin is pinched between the cuffs as you pull the straps to the desired tension. Secure the hook and loop to the straps, adjusting both anterior straps first, then both posterior straps. To fit the forearm section, mold the forearm cuffs to the patient by squeezing the moldable aluminum shell. The cuffs should be snug but not uncomfortable. Mold both the cuffs to the patient's forearm. Secure the straps on the forearm by engaging the quick-release buckles. Disengage the hook and loop on the straps and pull straps to the desired tension. Secure the strap with the hook and loop attachments. Trim off any excess strap material as needed. With the back pad positioned in the middle of the back, feed straps through the D-rings on the humeral cuff, then back through the buckle. Adjust the tension, making sure the back pad stays in the center of the back. Notice that the harness straps form a figure 8 around the shoulders. The brace is now securely on the patient. The Aligner PHX humeral fracture brace is designed with adjustable humeral uprights to allow the physician to control bone alignment during the healing process. This alignment should be done by an orthopedic surgeon with the assistance of X-rays or fluoroscopy to ensure proper fracture reduction. The humeral section of the Aligner PHX brace has 2 adjustment pivot points to allow for fracture reduction. Either hinge can be used individually or in combination to facilitate proper fracture alignment. The varus valgus hinges are adjusted using the enclosed Allen wrench. Make sure to tighten the hinges once adjustments have been made. Additional adjustments may be necessary on follow-up visits to maintain acceptable alignment. This completes the fitting of the Aligner PHX humeral fracture brace. If you have additional questions about the Aligner PHX humeral fracture brace, contact Bledsoe Customer Care or visit www.bledsoebrace.com. The Aligner PHX humeral fracture brace, revolutionizing non-invasive fracture management care.